Good morning and welcome to AGORACOM News TV. It's Monday, October the 28th, 2013. I've gone through my morning homework. I've gone through a bunch of press releases, tried to find the best ones that stand out to me. I give you my insight into why they stand out, and the ultimate goal is to help you find some winners in your for investing in. I'm Alan Labucan. I'm the chief market commentator for AGORACOM, and we're trying to keep the show to about a 10-minute or less time frame. Got 7 companies to talk about today, so I'm going to get right to it. The first one comes from MAG Silver. MAG Silver announced today that they've started the Juanicipio underground development. Their partner is Fresnillo on that project, and they've started their underground development at their Fresnillo project, or in the Fresnillo project. It's part of the Zacatecas state of Mexico. They've got some information on the website that you can see photos of them starting this process. They've been working on this for the past year or so in engineering. It's an initial development budget stage type work for the 2,500 meters of ramp advancement. This is a joint venture. MAG owns 44%, Fresnillo owns 46%. I'm just taking a quick look at their stock chart, and it bottomed around the 550 level about a week and a half ago. Starting to come off of there. Kind of an interesting chart right now. Looks like it could be getting stronger. Their stock symbol is MAG, and they trade on Toronto. The next company is Nevada Sunrise Gold Corp and Pilot Gold. They've got Pilot Gold. I've followed this company closely. They've got a project over in Turkey, but then they've got a lot of experience down in Nevada. This Pilot Gold was a spin-out of another company that was taken over for their projects in Nevada, and same team that built up that other company that was taken over are now running Pilot Gold, and they've got a new project that they're working with Nevada Sunrise down in Nevada. Originally, it was a 65% project for Pilot Gold. They're putting all the money in, financing the $3.4 million exploration program this year. So they'll dilute Nevada Sunrise down to 22%, and they'll gain 78%. I follow this company because of the people involved, and mostly for their Nevada stuff. This is another one that bottomed recently around the just over 80-cent level, and it's coming into a very interesting chart pattern right now. I'm liking what I'm seeing with Pilot Gold there. The next company is Corvus Gold. Corvus Gold, the headline is Corvus Gold refines North Bullfrog preliminary economic assessment to include consideration of tax and royalty estimates. Recently, they had to revise some of their reporting on the company. They're also working on a new resource calculation. We picked it around 71 cents. I recently cut that rating. I'm no longer featuring them as one of the companies that on our pick list. But it's still a good project, and I'm going to continue to watch it closely. The stock symbol on that one is KOR, and they trade on Toronto. Next company is Goldreach Resources. Goldreach Resources had another batch of drill results from their project in northern British Columbia. It's called the Ox deposit. They hit 238 meters of 0.73% copper equivalent. They've gotten some thick intersections. It's a low-grade, big tonnage type project. They're coming in towards the end of their drilling season for the year. So, you know, it's hard to tell how much flow of news they're going to have out over the next few months. but definitely an interesting project with some serious results on that one. Stock symbol is GRV. They trade on the Venture Exchange. It is a patchy trader, looking a little bit pricey for me at this level. The next company is Romarco Minerals. They announced that they received 3 key state permits for their Hale mine down there in South Carolina. They've got their air quality Bureau of Air Quality permit, their Bureau of Water on their discharge, their damming from the Bureau of Water. This is a group of permits that they have to get to bring this project into production. Last, I think, off the top of my memory, they're in the 3 to 5 million ounce gold discovery there. I could be wrong on the resource. Do your homework on that one. They've got 585 million shares out, so they've got a ton of stock out. It does look like it bottomed in mid-October. Has been getting stronger of late, but with so much stock out, I mean, they can probably get a pop off of the news that they're getting their permits, because I know a lot of people in the audience that's involved with Romarco have been waiting for that, but, you know, this one makes me a little nervous. Their stock symbol is R, and they trade on the Toronto Exchange. The next company is Arctic Star Exploration. Before getting started on the news, this is a company that I do some corporate development consulting work for, and they also have a banner on my website. If you want to do any homework on the company and you're on my website at allenberryreports.com, just click on their banner and it'll take you to their website where you can do a bunch of homework. The news was that they've found several kimberlite targets on their Redemption project in the Lac de Gras area of the Northwest Territories. This is one of the most impressive areas for diamond exploration that's come out over the last 25-30 years. The Arctic Star people have been working there for a long time. They've got some key people involved with Buddy Doyle. Buddy Doyle was formerly with the company that had Diavik as the major there, Kennecott, and Buddy's a very seasoned and experienced diamond finder in the Northwest Territories. Arctic Star, and they've been looking for diamonds for a long time up there on their Credit Lake project, but they kind of ran out of ground to explore at the head of the diamond indicator mineral trains, and now they've seemed to they got a new patch of property, and it seems like there's some great targets on there. They've got 9. They've got a bunch more that they've got to do some assessment on. This is the preliminary work that gets you into the target, designing your drilling for targets, and I'm liking what I'm seeing there. Their stock symbol is ADD. They trade on the Venture Exchange. This looks like it's the stock chart is bottoming as well. Do your homework on that one. ADD is the stock symbol. Next company, and the final company today, is Almaden. Almaden announced that they drilled 64.5 meters of 1.7 grams per ton gold equivalent at their Ixtaka project. Been talking about this one a long time in several past shows. They keep hitting a lot of really nice drill results on this project down there in Mexico. It's got a good mix of gold and silver. I like what I'm seeing a lot out of that project. And then I think I just picked it this past weekend, and on the best of the best in weekly news, I like that I saw that the stock was bottoming and starting to get stronger. And I like what I'm seeing with the news and the stock on AMM on the Toronto Stock Exchange's Almaden symbol. So that's a wrap on the news for today. As always, before making any investment decisions, speak with your financial advisors and do your homework. That'll be a wrap for today's show. Make sure and watch us tomorrow. Have a great day.